ourselves on making every single customer 100% satisfied with our services from the start when it comes to communication, the end result in the product, rubbish removal, and Mirka helps us massively with that. Hi, I'm Jacob.
I'm Peter.
And together we own JP Timber Floors.
So we specialise in sanding and polishing timber floors all around Sydney, decking and all sorts of timber works.
So we've grown up together not just as work colleagues but as mates. So we've shared the passion together and it's allowed us to really evolve together. It's very satisfying for us. Being able to work with the product, walk in the morning and it looks like a job site, and then we leave in the afternoon and it's a finished product. So that's something really exciting for us. Back 15 years ago when we first started our trade, dust was a huge issue on jobs, being caked throughout the house. The technology nowadays with the vacuums from Mirka are a huge plus. Being able to go into someone's house and to be able to be assured that there's not going to be dust throughout.
Cleaning up at the end of the job site has become a breeze just because of the amount of suction that these machines provide. Has just became such a more friendly environment for clients and us to work in. We've found using the Mirka range with the M-Class vacuum has allowed us to be entered into different job sites as well, just the classifications of the vacuum.
It's opened the door for us to a much wider variety of working environments that we were never able to enter into before.
Can't go past the power of the 8-orbit Diros. The low profile and the sheer strength of that machine just really helps us get the job done while being able to get under low-lying areas and just be very tidy in general.
Being able to change from a 150mm to a 125mm when sanding stair risers and things of that nature is a huge plus for us. The Delta sander has definitely been an advantage for us. In the past we've had to do a lot of labour intensive hand scraping and other things of that nature, and the low vibration and the power of the Delta has changed the game for us. Having the complete sanding unit in one setup, being able to take it out of the van, wheel it into a job, set it up, know that there's not going to be any dust, know that we're going to do a good job, and then to be able to leave, it's definitely something that we enjoy. It's ease and convenience.
So we've used a lot of sandpaper before, but we found that the Galaxy sandpaper, with the power that it has, does not leave as bad of a scratch pattern as different brands of sandpaper. Being
such a powerful machine and using 6 discs at a time, in the past we've had to run through a lot of materials and not being able to move through the job as efficiently as we'd like. So the Mirka Galaxy discs allow us to use less discs in a bigger area and less changeover, so that's less downtime when the machine's not running. From our first dealings with the guys at Best Abrasives, we felt comfortable and supported. Any questions that we had in regards to the tools and the machinery, we were able to demo all the tools in the workshop to test before purchasing, and we're able to test the Galaxy discs and the other abrasives before purchasing, which we really found to be beneficial.